The Magic Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily loved to draw and paint. She spent hours every day creating beautiful pictures. But Lily was poor and only had a few old pencils and a small notebook to draw in. She wished she had better tools to create her art. One day, while walking home from school, Lily found an old paintbrush on the ground. It was dirty and worn, but Lily picked it up and decided to take it home. She cleaned it carefully and put it away. That night, Lily had a strange dream. In her dream, a wise old woman appeared and said, "Lily, this paintbrush is magic. Whatever you paint with it will come to life. Use it wisely." When Lily woke up, she thought it was just a dream, but she decided to try the paintbrush anyway. Lily dipped the brush into some water and painted a simple flower on a piece of paper. To her amazement, the flower lifted off the paper and became real. It was a beautiful red flower with soft petals and a sweet fragrance. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. The paintbrush was truly magic. Excitedly, Lily painted more things: a loaf of bread for her family, a new pair of shoes for herself, and toys for the children in the village. Whatever she painted, it came to life. Soon, everyone in the village heard about Lily and her magic paintbrush. They came to her with their needs, and Lily helped them all. But one day, a greedy man named Mr. Black heard about the magic paintbrush. He wanted it for himself. He went to Lily's house and demanded that she give him the paintbrush. Lily refused, knowing that Mr. Black would use it for selfish purposes. Angrily, Mr. Black tried to grab the paintbrush from Lily. In the struggle, the paintbrush broke. Lily was sad, but she realized that she had used the paintbrush to help others and make her village a better place. She didn't need magic to keep making beautiful art and helping people. With her kind heart and creativity, Lily continued to bring joy to her village. And that was the magic paintbrush. Now it's time for a little quiz. Let's see how well you remember the story. Here are 3 questions for you. What did Lily find on her way home from school? What happened when Lily painted with the magic paintbrush? How did Lily use the magic paintbrush to help her village? Please write your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see your responses. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ILearnEnglishThroughStory for more fun and educational stories. See you next time.